Yeah, so this current topic is how and what to learn for data science with Python. So for that, the first thing is like statistics. So statistics is the first thing we have to learn, because for data science, this is the behind the scene. This is what it is working on based on the statistics. So for that, one of the best book I have come across is this one, Think Stats. The title is Probability and Statistics for Programmers. Okay, here to note down the initial few chapters would be fine. Okay, and this is for reference book. So here I Amazon link for the book to purchase I have given, but initial few chapters should be fine for understanding. If time permits, you can study, otherwise it is fine. Okay, then whoever interested to check videos in YouTube and all, for that Khan Academy has given very good videos for statistics and probability, so we can go through once. Otherwise normal YouTube videos also fine, which covers some basics. So this is the first thing we have to acquire. Okay, the next thing is for data science with Python, there is one best book, that is Python Data Science Handbook by John Vanderson. Okay, so here so there are 5 chapters actually in that, except first chapter is fine to skip, it is not mandatory. Okay, first chapter is fine to skip. And here I have provided again Amazon link for this book. Okay, and that is one of the best book. Okay, then so before then next book is Python for data analysis, data wrangling with pandas, NumPy. This one by another author actually. So here the comment is that the pandas library is one of the famous library for data science. So this is popular, and the same author who developed this pandas, same author has written this book. That's why it plays a significant role for this book. So it has very huge material for pandas, this one. Okay, but previous book it says that all are available, but pandas is not very vast. So whatever normally required, that much is there. So my suggestion is we can go through this book. Then after this is done, then for more pandas related thing, we can refer this book as well. Okay, so that is the thing. Now, so whichever we discussed all so far here is what are the 3 books for these things to discuss. Now let us discuss what is the learning flow. First is statistics, right, as we mentioned. Then what and all we have to learn mainly, which means then very basics like what is mean, median, and what is mode, then what is variance, standard deviation, this type of things. Okay, then whatever I mentioned here, right, Think Stats book, from that you can go to chapter 2. There something called descriptive statistics will be there. So that if you, from there we can start off actually for the statistics. Okay, so this book few chapters is enough, as I mentioned, to go through. Okay, next one is Python basics. Here like what are the data types, what are the loops, if else, so while, for, then how to write method and calling the method. These basics minimum we should know. Okay, for that this data science handbook, as I mentioned, we can go to second chapter, that is introduction to NumPy. In this all Python means minimum basics are covered, not these ones actually. So it will start what are the data types available, what is the list, very basic fundamentals is covered here in the chapter itself. So this is minimum is enough here in the chapter to get minimum Python basics. That is the thing. Then next one is the NumPy package. So this is very popular package. This is the first package always in data science you'll be learning. Okay, so mainly this will handle arrays and okay, so this is for array is actually for similar data type. Okay, like for example all the names of the students, so this is considered as array because why, it is a similar data type. It may be names or it may be marks, but it should be same. If it is names of students means all names, will treat it as names array. Then if it is all marks, then that will be treated as marks array, something like that. Okay, then for this also, this is NumPy, right? So this second chapter is dedicated to NumPy only, so you can go through on this book, this chapter. Okay, the next topic is the pandas package. So this is the second very popular package which we'll use, but this is used for a data frame. So data frame is not like similar like this one arrays, but this is dissimilar, which means student address. See, address means like like name will be there, then street number, like all combination will be there, right? So like pin code, so pin code is a number, and suppose state, country, all that is a string. So that is why it is called dissimilar. All dissimilar type will be there. So this pandas is used to handle the data frame. So for that chapter 3 we can go through. So this is data manipulation with pandas. So this will cover pandas, this third chapter. Okay. Then next one we should need to know is matplotlib package. This is used for visualization purpose. Means like graphical way to draw the pictures and means graphs. We can see that. Okay. And for data exploration, we will use this package so that we can see how the data is there. Okay. So for that we can go through chapter 4, that is visualization with matplotlib. That will give enough fundamentals for matplotlib how to use. Okay. So here one, okay, so one more is there, like Seaborn is there. So similar to matplotlib, one more package Seaborn is there. So that also we have to go through. Okay. So next thing is scikit-learn. We'll read as scikit-learn package. This is very, very popular for machine learning. So whatever here, NumPy, Pandas, matplotlib, all these are like third-party libraries which are helping Python to become very strong as compared to R and SAS. So these are third-party libraries which are supporting. Okay, but mainly scikit-learn is the one which is very dedicated to machine learning. It is there to help. Okay, so it will handle machine learning flow. For this reference is chapter 5. So complete, that is for machine learning. Okay, and if any comments, anything is there, you can put comment here. Then this video will be uploaded under this playlist once this is done.